Hello and welcome. I'm going to show you a camper van today. It's a rather, I'd say, basic Fiat Ducato camper van, but bear in mind when I say the word Fiat Ducato, it mightn't be on a Fiat, but this one is. This is a V217 from Challenger, 636 centimeters long, so it's the longest Fiat Ducato, and it costs 62,725 euros. So it's got this German layout at the back, and okay, let's just now walk through it. So it's really just the same as almost all of the Fiat Ducato camper vans like this, with this German layout here, which of course you can it's now two singles format, but there you've got the format to make it into a double. Two mattresses here, and there you've got the two plates which will hold the mattresses in position down here. If I lift this up, actually it's quite convenient to show you the storage possibilities under the bed, and I'll lift this one up as well so you can see what's going on under there. As you may have noticed, you can hold the whole thing will lift up, the bed will lift up to create a space in the center for transporting things should that be necessary. Very large storage capacity in there. Down here come first of all to the kitchen, the washroom. Well, actually it's the washroom and the kitchen. Got this door here, and this is meant to hide the toilet. There's the toilet. It's got a fixed sink, and in here we have got the shower tray. It's only got one drainage point, but it's got a nice, it's deep, and it's got an anti-slip surface. I like a deep shower tray, but when you're trying to get your feet clean, it comes in handy. Up here we have got there's your fridge. We've got below that a wardrobe. It may have shelves in it, so you can put shelves if you want, but otherwise you can have it for hanging space. And over here we've got two burners, we've got the sink, and also we've got drawers below, so it's really very standard. They've got the way the seats have been upholstered. You can see that the blackout blind has been put down there. I think this is from the company Remis. And right, so extension to the kitchen. When buying one of these, I think most people buy what's available more than anything else. I don't think they're going to say, look, I want a Challenger or Chausson or a roller team camper van. It just happens to be what's the closest to them. The differences are internally almost always just cosmetic. You might like the layout. There might be something which is an unusual feature within it. For example, for the Admiral from Mobil Design has a very curious way of getting to the sink. Got a different layout which looks quite exclusive, but then again it costs 1/3 more than this one does, and that's a lot of money to cost more in a camper van. So depends what you're looking for. Up there, space for television, and it's already got the pre-wiring installed. Take it to the back. So storage here. You've got space under here. These shelves are quite useful, I think, for keeping chairs or things, for example, and I think stack other things above. Outdoor tables and chairs, really, because they're not very good for stacking things on top of. Here we've got the gas cabinet, and as you can see, there's space there for two full-size gas cylinders. So that's it's quite nice. I mentioned holding these things up from down here. You get a very good view of the buckles which will hold the mattresses up. So I've given a sort of an overview there. Very few camper vans at this price level have insulation in the doors. They just can't be bothered to put it in. In fact, very few costing a lot more than this bother to put it in. So there you go. That is the V217 636 centimeter long camper van from Challenger. Hope you found that interesting, and I upload every day at 21:15 for the moment. Bye for now.